Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to receive Ethereum on Trust Wallet step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your phone. Log in using your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap the search icon in the top right corner. In the search bar, type ETH. From the results, select Ethereum on the Ethereum network, also known as ETH. This will open the Ethereum token page. Now, tap the Receive button. You'll see your Ethereum wallet address and a QR code. To receive Ethereum, copy this wallet address, or share the QR code with the sender. Make sure the sender is sending Ethereum on the Ethereum network. Important reminder: do not send Ethereum from other networks, such as BNB, Smart Chain, or Polygon, unless you're sure Trust Wallet supports that version. Sending Ethereum on the wrong network may result in lost funds. Once the transaction is sent, your Ethereum will appear in your Trust Wallet after the network confirms it. And that's it. You've successfully received Ethereum on Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.